In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your bank account using Xero. Reconciliation is a crucial step in keeping your financial records accurate and up to date. By reconciling, you ensure that your bank transactions align with what's recorded in your accounting software. This helps you maintain a clear understanding of your finances and can prevent any discrepancies from snowballing into larger issues. To begin, navigate to your dashboard in Xero. This is the hub of your activity, where you can access a high-level overview of your financial situation. From there, locate the bank account you wish to reconcile and click the Reconcile button. This will take you to the reconciliation screen, where you can see the transactions that have been imported from your bank feed. Now, once you're on the reconciliation screen, Xero might have automatically matched some transactions for you. You'll notice an OK button next to those transactions that Xero has confidently matched. Simply click OK to confirm these matches. This is a fantastic time saver, helping you quickly move through transactions that are already aligned with your records in Xero. For those transactions that aren't automatically matched, Xero provides a few options to assist you. First up is the Find and Match feature. Use this option when you need to locate an existing invoice or bill that corresponds to your bank transaction. Simply click Find and Match and Xero will help you filter through your existing records to find the perfect match. This is particularly useful for ensuring that your revenue and expense records are accurately reflected in your accounting system. If you can't find a matching record in your current invoices or bills, you might need to use the Create option. This is your go-to for entering a new, simple expense or income record directly into Xero. It's straightforward. Just input the necessary details for the transaction, and Xero will add it to your accounts. This ensures that every transaction is accounted for, even if it wasn't captured in a pre-existing record. Lastly, there may be times when you need to record a transfer between your business accounts. For such cases, the transfer option is what you'll need. Select this if the transaction reflects money being transferred from one account to another within your business finances. This way, all movements of funds are clearly documented and easy to trace, which is important for maintaining transparency across your accounting records. As you work through these transactions, remember that reconciliation is about ensuring consistency and accuracy in your financial reporting. By following these steps, you can confidently keep your financials in check, making your Xero account a reliable reflection of your business's economic reality. With your transactions reconciled, you're all set to move forward with the assurance that your accounts are as they should be. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in navigating the reconciliation process with Xero.